powerful storm that formed on the Slovakia-Poland border has struck the city of Bardejov and continues to move relentlessly southeastward. The weather in the eastern part of the country has deteriorated drastically. Thunderstorm activity in eastern Slovakia has intensified and, according to the latest reports, has affected the city of Bardejov and its surrounding areas. A powerful storm formed on the Slovakia-Poland border and developed significantly in the Prešov region, currently forming a continuous line stretching from Svidnik to Rožňava. More than 5,700 lightning strikes have occurred today. This line of storms is moving southeastward towards Prešov and Košice, bringing particularly heavy rainfall. The situation is serious. For example, in the Tricity area, meteorologists have recorded more than 30 millimeters of rainfall, causing localized problems. The water is already causing significant problems in the city center of Bardejov, which is currently flooded due to the heavy rain. According to a network of amateur rain stations, rainfall in this area has reached 37 millimeters. A truly terrifying storm hit the city. The sky turned into a dark wall in a matter of minutes, and the atmosphere was more reminiscent of a disaster movie than a typical summer day, described one resident of Bardejov. Residents in the Prešov and Košice regions should be especially vigilant in the coming hours, as there is a risk of flooded roads and further traffic jams. In the coming hours, the storm is expected to continue complicating traffic and the lives of residents in these regions. A swift but more powerful storm struck Bratislava in the early evening. Terrifying reports gradually began to emerge of the damage it caused. A strong but powerful storm struck Bratislava in the early hours of the morning, leaving extensive damage in its wake. After the powerful storm hit Bratislava, the sun emerged from behind the clouds, revealing chaos in the capital. Several centimeters of water were left on roads and sidewalks, and in some parts of Bratislava, strong winds uprooted trees and scattered furniture from summer terraces. Fire sirens could be heard in the streets. while the first, less significant storm surge brought wind gusts of up to 50 kilometers per hour and hail to Zahorska Ves. Another stronger storm surge is already approaching from Austria.
Patrz, drugie.
Następne, patrz, to samochód prawie jebło.
Wiesz?
No samochód prawie jebło.
A real nightmare unfolded outside Warsaw. The storm caused hundreds of damages, including flooding and roads blocked by fallen tree branches. The A2 highway was also dangerous. This afternoon, a powerful storm hit the town of Brunov, near Warsaw, Masovian voivodeship. At around 1 p.m., heavy rain began to fall, accompanied by thunder and strong winds. Damage occurred in hundreds of locations, with the greatest danger near Powstańców Warszawy, Piłsudskiego, and Biskupika streets. The most common reports concerned flooding, impassable roads, broken branches, and fallen trees hitting buildings and energy infrastructure. Due to the heavy rain in Brunov, a tunnel running under the railway tracks in the city center was completely flooded. Firefighters had to extricate a car trapped in the water. Emergency services were also working to clear branches from roads and repair damaged infrastructure. Volunteers were also involved in the operation. The firefighters' primary goal was to pump out water, clear roads, and secure damaged areas. The storm also caused problems on the A2 motorway. Heavy rain significantly reduced visibility for drivers, significantly slowing traffic. Road conditions were extremely dangerous, and motorists should exercise extreme caution. Emergency services emphasized that repair work was still underway. While the route should no longer pose a hazard, it's important to remember that the road surface remains wet and slippery. There may also be broken tree branches in some areas.
Jezu, kierowca drzewo ściąga z drogi. Ja mam iść mu pomóc? Kurwa, bohater, mój bohater. Dziękuję.
On Saturday, June 20th and Sunday, June 21st, Tricity residents received warnings from the RCB about heavy rainfall, strong winds, thunderstorms, and possible flooding. A weather disaster was averted on Saturday. However, the storm arrived in the Tricity area on Sunday just after 4 p.m.
Ale jesteśmy wysoko, nie zaleje nas.
The storm apparently caught beachgoers in Stogi by surprise, and they rushed home in droves, blocking roads out of the district. Problems also arose on the ring road and at the airport, with planes circling, unable to land in Gdansk. Some were diverted to other airports. A storm hit the Pomeranian voivodeship on Sunday. As of 8 a.m., firefighters across the province had responded to 136 incidents due to the adverse weather conditions.